Welcome to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz. Today's current affairs. Let's begin. அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவிற்கு வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைய நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள். தொடங்குவோம். Question 1. What is the most common diagnostic test for active pulmonary tuberculosis? The correct answer is sputum smear microscopy for acid-fast bacilli, AFB. While other tests are used, sputum smear microscopy for AFB is the most common and cost-effective initial diagnostic test for active pulmonary TB. Sariyana Badil, AFP. AAP. Question 2. Which of the following drugs is not considered a first-line antitubercular drug? The correct answer is levofloxacin. Isoniazid, rifampicin, pyrazinamide, and ethambutol are the 4 first-line antitubercular drugs. Levofloxacin is a second-line drug. Sariyana Badil. Question 3. Community-acquired pneumonia, CAP, is primarily distinguished from hospital-acquired pneumonia, HAP, based on what factor? CAP, HAP. The correct answer is setting where the infection was acquired. CAP refers to pneumonia acquired outside of healthcare facilities, while HAP is acquired after 48 hours of hospital admission. Sariyana Badil. CAP, HAP 48. Question 4. What is the most common bacterial cause of community-acquired pneumonia, CAP, in adults? CAP. The correct answer is Streptococcus pneumoniae. Streptococcus pneumoniae, pneumococcus, is historically and currently the most frequent bacterial pathogen responsible for CAP. Sariyana Badil. CAP. Question 5. Which of the following conditions is most likely to cause a transudative pleural effusion? Pleural effusion? The correct answer is congestive heart failure. Transudative effusions are typically caused by imbalances in hydrostatic or oncotic pressures, such as seen in congestive heart failure, cirrhosis, or nephrotic syndrome. Sariyana Badil. Question 6. What diagnostic procedure involves the aspiration of fluid from the pleural space? Aspiration? The correct answer is thoracentesis. Thoracentesis is the medical procedure to remove fluid from the space between the lungs and the chest wall, the pleural space. Sariyana Badil. Question 7. What is the most common predisposing factor for the development of a lung abscess? Lung abscess? The correct answer is aspiration of oropharyngeal contents. Aspiration of infected material from the oropharynx, often in individuals with impaired consciousness or dysphagia, is the leading cause of lung abscess. Sariyana Badil. Question 8. On a chest X-ray, a lung abscess typically appears as a cavity with which characteristic feature? The correct answer is air fluid level. A classic radiological finding of a lung abscess is a cavitary lesion containing an air fluid level, indicating both air and pus within the cavity. Sariyana Badil. Question 9. Bronchiectasis is characterized by bronchiectasis. The correct answer is irreversible dilation and destruction of the bronchial walls. Bronchiectasis is a chronic condition characterized by permanent, abnormal dilation and destruction of the large airways, leading to chronic cough and sputum production. Sariyana Badil. Question 10. Which genetic disorder is most commonly associated with bronchiectasis? Bronchiectasis? The correct answer is cystic fibrosis. Cystic fibrosis is a major cause of bronchiectasis, particularly in developed countries, due to defective chloride transport leading to thick, sticky mucus that obstructs airways and promotes infection. Sariyana Badil. Question 11. Which vaccine is used to protect against severe forms of tuberculosis, especially in children? The correct answer is BCG vaccine. The Bacillus-Calmette-Guerin, BCG, vaccine is widely used in countries with a high burden of TB to prevent severe forms of the disease, particularly in infants and young children. Sariyana Badil. Question 12. An empyema is a severe complication of pneumonia characterized by empyema. The correct answer is pus in the pleural space. Empyema is the accumulation of purulent fluid, pus, in the pleural cavity, usually as a complication of pneumonia or other chest infections. Sariyana Badil. Question 13. Leitz criteria are used to differentiate between which two types of pleural effusions? Leitz criteria, pleural effusions. The correct answer is transudative and exudative. Leitz criteria use specific biochemical measurements in pleural fluid and serum to classify effusions as either transudates or exudates. Sariyana Badil. Question 14. Which of the following is not a common site for extrapulmonary tuberculosis? The correct answer is hair follicles. Extrapulmonary TB can affect almost any organ outside the lungs, with lymph nodes, bones, joints, and the central nervous system being common sites. Hair follicles are not a typical site for TB infection. Sariyana Badil. Question 15. What is considered the gold standard imaging modality for diagnosing bronchiectasis? Bronchiectasis? The correct answer is high-resolution computed tomography, HRCT, of the chest. HRCT provides detailed images of the bronchial walls and lumen, allowing for accurate diagnosis and assessment of the extent and severity of bronchiectasis. Sariyana Badil, HRCT. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz for a new quiz every day. பார்த்ததற்கு நன்றி. தினமும் ஒரு புதிய வினாடி வினாவிற்கு அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்கள்.